Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm excited. Oh, am I excited? Remember this article on SWLING about the new Tecsun H-501 coming soon, and there are a couple of videos on the pre-production version, the Chinese version, but the US version, the production release version, is just now hitting the market. And I got an email a couple of days ago that the people at, I'll show you right here, at Anon-Co, Anna sent me an email that says she is sending me one. Now this is coming from China, so it will take a few weeks to get here. And she says there is a hidden features sheet that is packaged with the production models that tells you about some hidden features that didn't get in the original manual. So I'm excited about this. This is so new that they don't even have it shown on their website yet. So am I excited to be one of the first ones to get one of these radios, the production model of this radio, in my hands to review for you, and we can determine exactly what it is. I mean, it looks really nice. Dual speaker, stereo, multi-band radio. I'm just excited. And so I'll be getting this in probably 2 or 3 weeks. So stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye-bye.